This deserves your attention. What's up guys, today we're finally talking about Sony. The last time I was this interested to make a video about a Sony phone was back when I hammered my Xperia Z2. Them good old days, but jokes aside, Sony's brand new Xperia 1 III is rocking some never before seen features that needs your immediate attention. It's the only smartphone right now that truly doesn't follow the market trends. It's still rocking that good old headphone jack with micro SD card slot for storage expansion, doesn't have crazy megapixels, and of course a notchless, hole-less design that low-key stands out compared to the competition. So let's talk about those never before seen features. The Xperia 1 III comes with a world's sharpest OLED display on a smartphone right now, beating out the likes of Mi 11 Ultra, S21 Ultra, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's got a 4K OLED HDR 120Hz panel. It sounds absolutely monstrous. Now, unlike other brands' display, this phone doesn't have a variable refresh rate, but you can actually drop the resolution if you want to conserve that 4500 mAh battery. The display itself is pretty unique as well. We have a 21:9 pretty large tall display, taller than most smartphones out there. Because of that 21:9 aspect ratio, Sony says that it's actually perfect for watching movies. Now, the other never before seen feature of this phone is regarding the cameras. This is world's first smartphone to offer a variable telephoto lens. Usually a telephoto lens on a smartphone offers a single range optical zoom like you have seen on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It only goes up to 2.5x level, but on the Sony Xperia 1 III you get dual range with one optical zoom lens. So it can go from 2.9x to 4.9x without losing any quality, providing you that lossless zoom range. As for the resolution, Sony is not chasing numbers. We have a triple 12 megapixel sensors combined with a time of flight sensor. Now, as we know, Sony makes professional cameras, and they are actually bringing a lot of those features from their professional cameras to the Xperia 1 III, like the eye autofocus that recognizes both human and animal subjects. On top of that, thanks to the new time of flight sensor, the autofocus performance will be pretty quick even in low light conditions. Apart from these two world's exclusive features, this phone is rocking a Snapdragon 888 chip inside with 12 GB of RAM, a bold design with IP68 water and dust resistant certification, and pretty much everything you expect on a flagship phone. This phone has got it all. And the fact that it still offers a headphone jack in 2021, that's impressive. So it seems like Sony hasn't given up. They're still trying their best to rival the likes of Samsung and Apple and all those Chinese brands out there. I guess if they can do better marketing and launch their devices in a timely manner, then there is a chance. It's a bit weird that they announced these phones, but they didn't actually reveal the pricing and the availability information. They made a similar mistake in the past by launching their phones way too late, so I really hope that these devices come to the market during their hype time. Now, Xperia 1 III won't be a cheap phone. It's most likely going to match the pricing of both iPhone 12 Pro Max and the S21 Ultra. Sony is expected to offer some freebies out of the box, such as their WF-1000 noise cancellation buds. So that's all the latest news. Sony is definitely trying their best by bringing some world exclusive, never before seen smartphone features. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.